course, a tough loss here against Stjarnan in the semi-final. What's your first reaction after the game?
Of course, disappointment because we have a close game, but I think in the few minutes in the last court we lost focus defensively, and we allowed some 3-point shots from Hlinur and Foranti, and they went 7, 8, 9 points. Then was difficult for us to come back. We tried to gamble, with the 3-point shots, but it was not working, and they were scoring on either side. So 87-73 maybe is not the real result on this game, but on the end, congratulations for Stjarnan. I mean, good luck in the final, and we need to wait for some other time.
And there was a lot of heated moments in the game with the fans and in the court. Was it maybe that Stjarnan was stronger in that situations?
I think they were kind of more experienced, especially the key players of Stjarnan. I mean, I didn't expect that he will shoot so well, especially for 3 points. And I think that was one of the crucial things. We were gamble also. Also, Hlinur got a really good shooting night for threes. Those things were crucial for this game. But like I say, if they were missing some of those shots, I think the result will be different.
Only 5 players got points on your team tonight. That might be a crucial factor also.
I think Gerald, I don't think that he scored some points tonight. And also one of the big keys, about this result, we're expecting from our, foreign import player to score, fight, have some, but unfortunately he got a bad night tonight, and that's it. He need to bring something with his experience, give the best in this, especially in the crucial moments of the game. For now, like I said, we need to see the tape and see what's going on.
What can your team learn from this experience tonight?
They can learn that we can play against any team. We show that we can play against Stjarnan, even 40 minutes tight. I mean, they're absolutely, by the roster, the best team, and by the results in the last 10 games, 11 games, unbeatable. But if we can play against Stjarnan, we can play against any team. So we need to go through the competition, take a few days rest, and focus on the last 4 games. I think we can play against any team.